So I'm down here in the office where all the nerdy stuff happens, and I'm here because I asked the wife if she wanted her fork legs polished or painted. I had originally planned to polish them since I have all of the stuff for that here at the house, but I can get things powder coated really nice at work. She said powder coat, shiny black. Much like the Goldwing project, I'm a huge fan of 3D printing masking plugs and caps out of TPU, mostly because I have 3D printers and a lot of odd colors of TPU. It's the skin tone line of Ninja Flex that they had there for a while. I got it on clearance. I did that for all the brake parts before sandblasting on the Goldwing project. No, of course, they don't survive the powder coat oven, so in my case, they're just for blasting. Yes, we did put one through the powder coat oven just for fun. It doesn't survive. So if you're using a wet apply paint, you might be able to use them for that. Armed with my plastic Harbor Freight digital calipers, we're going to measure these out, print off these masking plugs so we can get to blasting.
So here they are, all masked up and ready for powder coating. The dark lines are from soaking them to get the last bit of oils out of the bottom. I ended up sacrificing a $1 dollar store bottle brush to get all the way down to the bottom of it. Those that little bit of discoloration is not gonna be a problem. They're gonna go through the wash line again at the powder coat anyway. So after that, they did go through the wash line at the powder coat one time, and then through the drying oven one time, and then I spent a couple hours after work getting them masked up, which took me forever, particularly that end. Just getting around all that geometry, but everything's been remasked with high temp plugs and high temp tape. And when you see it again, it'll be shiny and black. It's always great when you can tie your hobbies into one another, using 3D printing to make masking plugs so you can sandblast motorcycle parts for your vintage motorcycle restoration. What could be better? Honestly, if it was up to me, I probably would have just polished them and had them put back together already. But that'll have to wait for the next episode. We'll drive the seals into the freshly painted everything and reassemble everything, put fluid in it, and that'll be it. So thanks for joining me. The programs I used were FreeCAD, the latest version. I also used Cura, the Lulzbot edition, with my own tweaks to the profiles and everything, and Octoprint. They're printed on my Taz 6 with NinjaFlex, and I recorded everything on the computer with OBS Studio. So check it out. Hit that like button, subscribe if it feels so inclined, and I'll catch you next time.